You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, me know it's been a while, but guess what? I'm back for giving you some of those epic yet entertaining and informative reviews. So if for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, don't afraid to hit the like button. But before I go into the reviews, look on this photograph with this Porsche. Yeah, look at the Porsche. Yeah, it's a Porsche. But look on the plate, a red plate. The people in red plate the Porsche, you know. And for the international viewers we don't know what that mean that Porsche is operating as a legal taxi.
Shut your mouth with a little bit of money. Shut up. Life is sweet like me dip it in a honey.
Gunmen robbed 3.2 million Jamaican dollars from a bank. Money heist. Buju Banton criticized for being in the 2020 Jamaica Festival Song Competition. All of that and more coming up after this.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Gunmen this morning invaded and robbed the JN Bank in White House, Westmoreland of approximately $3.2 million. In a statement, the JN Bank said none of its employees or members of the public who were at the location were armed. However, an armed guardsman security assigned to the location was injured. This security firearm was also reportedly stolen during the robbery. And people may have some photographs of that robbery. And I don't know if I set up or why not, but what I know says a money heist and they make away with $3.2 million, approximately $3.2 million. Yo, John Star. Jamaica move away right now. You see me? So look on your screen right now. You have to see the photograph them. And them umbrella look like them know what them a do. Them definitely know what them a do. Them say the security guard was injured. I don't know if a shot him get or is a gun butt him get and them take away him firearm. Me don't know what go on. But I'm glad say nobody never like seriously injured or dead or nothing like that. You see me? Because all of the money they're supposed to insure, you know. That no say. Them for run around and hold up the people in bank and take with their money and them things there. But wanna make me know what you think about all of that in the comment section below.
Me feel figure robber mint. Money is everybody know for your facts money nice. All who know want see we in a paradise.
Congratulations to the production team. Buju Banton. How you feeling, Buju? How you feeling? Huh? No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican. I know ID I man need to show, cause I am a Jamaican. Break it on. Before I go into the song, I want to congratulate the true winners tonight. Every member, everyone who participated in this competition, you are all winners. I was happy to share the stage with you all. But for me, the true winners tonight are the Sunbeam Boys Home. Yes, congratulations to Sunbeam Boys Home.
So basically, Buju Banton win $3 million and donated it to a boys' home through the 2020 Festival Song Competition. But the people must say, yo, Buju Banton should enter because Buju Banton named Buju Banton and you know say he's like a Grammy winning artist, sell platinum, gold and everything. You see me? So they must say it is an unfair advantage to the rest of the competitors them in letting Buju Banton enter the competition. So there is a lot of talk on the internet and more if you know what you think about this. You feel say Buju Banton should have entered because you have to look on it, you know. Buju Banton enter and win and him still donated all of the $3 million to the boys home, the Sunbeam Boys Home. I hope I get it right. And I'm still not 100% clear about this competition, you know, because me get to understand like either way anybody did win, them would have to donate the money to charity. I'm not sure. Someone to tell me in the comment section below what you think about that and how it really go. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, so don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment on the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way and any other way, the wrong way. We're gone.